Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send BNB from Coinbase to XMO in 2025. If you're looking to move your BNB tokens seamlessly between these platforms, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and XMO. If you haven't already, sign up and verify your identity. It's a quick step that ensures smooth operations. Once that's done, log into your XMO account and navigate to your wallet section. Here, you'll find your BNB wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's your destination for the transfer. Now, switch over to Coinbase. Open the app or website and log in. Head to the Send or Transfer option, usually found in the main dashboard. Select BNB as the asset you want to send. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste the one you copied from XMO. Next, input the amount of BNB you wish to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, BNB transactions typically use the BNB Smart Chain, so choose that network to keep costs low. Before hitting confirm, review all the details: the address, amount, and fees. Once you're satisfied, approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the BNB should arrive in your XMO wallet within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the correct network, BNB on BNB Smart Chain, to avoid lost funds. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.